Yo, can you really develop anything with someone you don't spend time with? I don't think so. I know we're all busy working, building businesses, raising kids, though all of those things take time to develop. And with the way communication is nowadays, it should be easier than ever. I mean, send a voice note, have a 5 or 10 minute conversation on the phone, have a FaceTime video, go have some coffee, take them lunch to their job, go on a walk, go to the movies, go have a nice dinner, or just sit there and do nothing with each other. It just takes effort. And effort will develop into the picture that you have in your mind with you and that special someone. Yep, that's what Kev said.